This right here is a $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade, and you can also withdraw from it. So all you just need to do is to register, verify your profile and your mobile number, then verify your KYC. Okay, so once you're done doing that, then the bonus will be credited to you. Okay, so we have limited time left, so do well to go and claim yours right now. So the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. Okay, so once you go to the description below, you click on join my Telegram channel, or you can click on claim the bonus right here. So once you click on it, it's going to take you straight to my Telegram channel, which you can see right here. Yes, this is my Telegram channel. Okay, so it's going to bring you straight to this channel. Okay, so if you know you want to be part of this community, you have to join my Telegram channel for daily updates. I update this channel every day. Every day. Okay, so if you know that you're not part of this community, please make sure you join right now so you can be getting daily update. Okay, and 76% of you who watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. Please, what are you waiting for? Do well to subscribe to this channel. If you know that you are enjoying my content on Forex no deposit bonuses, please just take a second to subscribe, like my videos, like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and they can also benefit from these videos. Okay, so like my videos, comment the country where you're watching from so that I can keep making videos for your country. Turn on the notification bell to get more updates. Okay, so please make sure you subscribe to this channel, comment, like, share my videos. Okay, so that more people can benefit from it. Okay, so let's go into the video. Okay, so let's talk about the terms and conditions briefly. Okay, so at the end of the video, I'm going to talk about it fully. I'll talk about the terms and conditions fully. Okay, so you can see the $50 trading bonus giveaway. So you have to complete the requirements for a chance to receive the $50 in trading credits daily. Okay, so you can see the eligibility. The first thing that you need to do is to complete registration. Then you have to verify your email and your mobile number. Then you have to pass full KYC. Okay, that is, you have to verify using your documents. That is, you have to verify using your NIN card or your passports or any documents that you can use for verification. Okay, then you have to open a live MT5 account. Then you can see the daily selection every day at 8 o'clock. 1,000 eligible clients from the period of 13th of November to 21st of November are randomly credited. So this bonus will be closing by 21st of November. So you have to go and claim yours quickly. Okay, we have to claim it quickly. We don't have time again. Okay, so you can see it right here. So for the bonus use, the $50 is non-withdrawable. Yes, you can withdraw the $50. Usable as margin, may be removed in certain cases. That is stop out and withdraw. So the $50 is not withdrawable. You can only withdraw your profits made on it. Okay, so for the profit withdrawal allowed after 7 days from bonus credits, and you have to trade 5 standard lots closed on eligible instruments. Yes, so you have to trade 5 standard lots, and the profit withdrawal will be allowed after 7 days from the bonus credit, from the day the bonus was credited to you. And that is when you can make withdrawal. Okay, and the bonus, for the bonus, you won't even receive it immediately. It will take at least a day or 2 days before you can get the bonus. Okay, but just make sure you register and do the necessary things. Okay, so that's for that. So for the eligible instruments, you can see it. We make use of the FX, the metal, futures only, crypto, cash indices, cash energies, and other non-eligible instruments do not count towards the 5 lots requirements. Okay, So for the early withdrawal impact, withdrawing before meeting conditions removes the bonus. Yes, if you try to withdraw before meeting the conditions, they will remove the bonus and forfeit all profits. Yes, you won't be able to make any profit withdrawal. So after a successful profit withdrawal, the $50 bonus is removed and not reused. Okay, so for the limitations, one bonus per client. Yes, other terms, exclusions, and abuse checks apply. Okay, so this is the terms and conditions, but once I'm done with the video, I'm still going to talk about the terms and conditions fully. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to sign up. So we're just going to click on sign up right here. Yes, so we're going to be inputting our email, our country of residence, your first name, your last name, your password. Then you have to confirm your password. Okay, then you have to agree that you're 18 years of age or you're older, and the registration acknowledgement, you also have to agree. Then once you're done doing that, you just click on create account. Okay, but if you know you already have an account, you can just log in here, right here. So for those that don't have an account, you have to register first. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so I'm done doing that already. Yeah, I'm done doing that. So I'm just going to click on create account. Yes, so as you can see, my account has been created. So I have to confirm my email because it has been sent to me already. So I'm just going to click on sign in. But before I do that, let's go confirm my email. Okay, so I have it right here. So I'm just going to click on verify email. Yeah, so it has been verified. You can see it right here, email validation successful. So I'm going to relog in again. Yeah, I'm going to sign in right here. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so after signing in, the next thing for you to do is to complete your profile verification. Okay, so I'm going to complete my profile verification. That is, I'm going to be inputting my title. Are you a Mr., a Miss? Okay, you have to put it. Then your nationality, if you have other nationalities, you can add it. Then the TIN, you can ignore that for now. Then your telephone number, your phone number, your address, that is your street, your city, and your postcode. Okay, then your country. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you just click on submit. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you just click on submit. Okay, so once you click on submit, it's going to bring you over to this interface where you're going to be filling in your financial information. Okay, you can see your other information. So once you're done doing that, also you click on submit. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so once you're done doing that, you click on submit. Yes, so this is the last stage. As you can see, we're waiting. It's still loading. Okay, so this is where we are going to be submitting our document. So you can see the issuing country, which is Nigeria. So we're going to choose the type of document that we want to submit. Okay, so you can see it right here. I'm going to be submitting my NIN. Okay, so I'm going to just click on submit. So you're going to perform a liveness check. So you're going to ensure good lighting and follow instructions closely. Position your head within the frame. Gently turn your head to either sides as per commands. So click on stats. Okay, so after that, you're going to enter your NIN document number. Okay, So after entering your NIN document number, you click on submit. So let me enter mine. So I'm going to click on submit. Okay, so it says you check and confirm your data. So my first name, my last name, my date of birth, my gender, my residence country, my phone number. So I'll click on confirm. Okay, so they said choose your type of documents. That is, your proof of address should contain your full name, your residential address, be issued in the last 3 months. So you can make use of your rental agreement, your bank or mortgage statements, then your government issued documents, then your utility bills. So once you're done doing that, you click on submit. Okay. Okay, so you have to take a picture. Yeah, you have to submit your address. You can take a picture, then upload it right here, or you can just upload file. If you already have it, you can just upload it right here. Okay, so that is all that you need to do. Just make sure you verify your KYC. Okay, yes, make sure you verify your KYC. Make sure you complete your verification process, okay, before you can get to $50 no deposit bonus. Okay, so now let me talk about the terms and conditions fully. Okay, so now let's revisit the terms and conditions again. You can see it right here. Like I said before, I'm still going to talk about it fully. Okay, so you can see the eligibility right here. The $50 bonus is available only to clients who successfully complete registration and profile information. I've said that before. You must successfully complete your registration. Then you must verify both your email and your mobile number, your mobile phone number. So make sure you verify both your email and your mobile phone number. And you have to complete and pass full KYC. That is your identity verification. Yes, you can make use of your NIN card. You can make use of your passports and your other identity verification documents that you have. Okay, so you have to open a new live MT5 trading account with trading. So no deposit is required to receive this bonus. Yes, you don't need to deposit anything to receive this bonus. It's totally free. Okay, so the bonus is limited to 1 account per client. Yes, 1 account per client, and the company may use, among other things, your name, your email, your phone number, your IP address, your device ID, payment details, and other KYC information to detect duplicates or related accounts. Yes, so just 1 account per client. And how does the bonus work? Okay, so eligibility or eligible clients will receive a $50 trading credit in their MT5 account once all eligibility steps in clause 2 are completed. So the $50 bonus credit is credited as non-withdrawable trading credits. Yes, you can't withdraw it. You can't withdraw the $50. You can only withdraw the profits. Okay, the profits made on it. So may be used as additional margin to open and maintain positions. It cannot be withdrawn or transferred. I've said that before. Will be removed in the circumstances described in these bonus terms. Yes, so we still have more terms and conditions right here, so you can just go through it. You can see the profit withdrawal conditions. Profit generated from trading using this bonus credit may be withdrawn. Yes, you can withdraw your profit, but you can't withdraw the bonus. Okay, so the account has been active for at least 7 calendar days. That is 7 days from the date the bonus credit was applied. So that's it. The account to be active for 7 calendar days. Then the client has completed a minimum of five standard lots of total trading volume. Okay, so you can see it, you must complete at least 5 standard lots. So for the purpose of these terms, 5 standard lots refers to a cumulative trading volume of 5 lots based on standard contract sizes as defined in the trading platform symbol specifications, regardless of profit or loss. Okay, so you can see it. The bonus amount itself, $50, is non-withdrawable. I've said that before. Once you qualify for withdrawal of profit, you may withdraw only the equity in excess of the $50 bonus credits. So withdrawals before completing the requirements, full removal of the bonus credits, and forfeiture of all profits generated in the accounts up to that point. Okay, so when a withdrawal profit is successfully processed, after all requirements are met, the bonus credits will be removed from the account and will not be reissued. Okay, so you can see the withdrawal transfer restrictions. Yes, these are the restrictions. So you can just go through it. You can just go through it, so that we'll have to be fast with this video. Okay, so just go through it. We have the restrictions right here, so you can check it out. We have the stop out and the bonus removal. You can check it out. We have the prohibited and abusive trading strategies. You can check it out. The rights, you can check it out. The risk disclosure, you can check it out. So all these are the terms and conditions. Okay, so if you know you got the bonus, just let me know in the comment section, and also comment the country where you are watching this video from. Okay, so thanks for watching. Keep learning, keep earning. Peace out.